I may look like a drowned rat, but I'm happy as a clam. Good times, beard's holding up. And this, in Maine right now, this is a priority. Any insect repellent is an amazing idea. This, ticks. You see ticks. Not just any insects. It gets all insects, but ticks, especially in Maine right now, horrible. Of course, the metal detector. I love my Garrett. I love my AT Pro. Waterproof headphones. Submergible headphones. There's a good word. Submergible. These, which the only thing I would suggest is bring another pair of footwear with you. These are Aqua socks. I got them at Walmart or Kmart. I don't know. Cheap. I walked in with these because it's a little bit of a walk. Not suggested. And of course, priority in life, sweat rag. I joke, but sweat, like, lifesaver, because it's not sweat rag. I use it for everything. Anything I need to wipe or like blow my nose or wipe my feet. I've used it to wipe my feet before because they were wet and I didn't want to get blisters. So these, I would suggest getting some type of rag. You wipe off gear with, whatever. And my other favorite detector, which the Garrett I might use underwater, but I brought it because maybe I get sick of detecting underwater, and I want to detect on land because it is a park. And I found stuff here before, but this is the legend this is the best option for underwater metal detecting. It's a handheld. I love it. I've done multiple videos with this. Anyway, and here I always forget this. I mentioned the bag earlier. I always forget this. This shark tooth sifter. This is always key. The times that I've used it or I've remembered to bring it, I don't always remember to bring this, and I did today, which is good, and I'm definitely going to use it because this is going to be epic. Awesome. Anyway, I'm going to dig out. So what I've done is I was over there at that table. I staged my stuff here because this is a small area, and there's a lot of people that come. Not a lot, but there's families that come. I wanted to stay out of the way. So I staged my stuff over there. I'm about to walk in because it's a weird angle and it's hard to get in. This might be hard to get into for me because my ankle or whatever. We'll see. So I'm going to go in. The idea is to go in and get all my stuff over there. And here I've put on this beautiful rock, well-placed rock, I have stuff that I might need, might want. So the pickaxe, a digger, more 550 cord with D-rings or carabiners, whatever you want to call them. Waterproof bag. It's open because once I'm done with this video, I have my phone, my GoPro's over there. Everything's attached to one of, the sifter, but you know, I'm using it as a platform. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it works. Probably not well. That's how it usually happens. But, so, waterproof bag. My phone is right here. This phone is going to go in that waterproof bag. And my other stuff that I'm not going to use. Also, my water's in there. My idea was to keep everything as dry as possible in here, or in the bags. So, see how that works. If I was smart, which I am not, I would have, A, brought a towel, which I didn't, and B, also bring like a tarp or a poncho to cover this stuff. But just, you know, added layer or whatever. Also, I want to say this, besides being a rash guard, this stuff, this material is thick. And it might be a little hot. It's not really that hot right now, but the horse flies and things that bite, it protects, especially the horse flies, because the horse flies can like bite pretty much into anything except this stuff. So screw those bastards. So everything's holding up so far. We haven't done any work yet, so we'll see how this goes. This is the beach area. I don't know how long I'm going to be here. Hopefully, it took a while to set up, I'll tell you that much. Getting all the kinks out of everything. A lot of stuff I should have done last night, but I did a lot of stuff last night for prep work. But one of those things I didn't do, and probably the only thing I should have done, is charge the battery on the Nemo, which it'll last. I should have done it and I didn't. Anyway, I'll stop talking and get to work. I may look like a drowned rat, but I'm happy as a clam. So yeah, no, I got this little suction mark here. I don't know. You have a, I guess I have a hickey on my nose or a rub mark. I don't know. I had the mask on, obviously, so you can see. Anyway, good times. Beard's holding up. It's gorgeous. No one's here. It's kind of gloomy, and love it. I love it. Anyway, so I have my gloves and GoPro off. Well, gloves off and GoPro there. It's kind of GoPro's kind of fogging up, so but it's kind of how my setup. This is the cord or lanyard that attaches to me. I have these two attached, and my sifter thing is in the water. It fell off. That's why you always have things tied down. When I go back in, I'm just taking a break, getting water. One of the things that I've kind of established or muscle memory trying to establish, because I'll go out there and I'll forget about life forever, and forget to drink water, or, you know, become dehydrated. So try to come in for a couple of minutes, break, and drink some water, maybe eat something. Definitely text my wife, because that's one of those things I you know, my wife worries, and maybe she doesn't, maybe she's complaining, but always text my wife. Anyway, Maine to go.